go to Disney for a couple of days. It's gonna be so much fun. We don't really have any other plans except that. So we'll kind of see what happens this week. It'll be fun. But we have a 13-hour drive ahead of us. It says we're gonna get there around 6:40 p.m. Hopefully we'll be able to go on a walk on the beach. I'm so excited. We're having breakfast on the beach.
Yeah.
Watching the sunrise. Oh, look how pretty it is. We're here!
We back, baby!
Destination. Okay, so we just arrived at Wilderness Lodge. We are staying in a resort view, king size bed at the Wilderness Lodge, and a king size room, resort view, and we are so excited. I believe our room number is 1027. Okay, yes, our room is number 1027. It's on the first floor, and it's a resort view, and I think we have a pretty great view, so I'm gonna show you around. Okay, so you obviously enter here. There, all of our stuff is right here, but there's a perfect space for a stroller. And over here is the room. Okay, so walkway here, bathroom is right here. I don't know, we've stayed at Copper Creek before, but not in the Wilderness side. This is a pretty large bathroom, and I'm wondering if it's an accessible room. Maybe I'll see if I can confirm that, but here is the bathroom. Nice large shower right over here, which is really nice. And a barn door to over here. We have a little kitchenette with the normal Disney items. I believe this is the mini fridge. Yes, the mini fridge is right there. And then this closet filled with all the normal Disney items. And then we have the TV. And over here, the best part is the beautiful wallpaper, the king size bed. There's a desk and a mirror, which is perfect for getting ready, doing makeup, all the things. And then there is these, like, I think you call them nesting tables, but you can easily move those out as well. A chair, another chair right here with a footstool, nightstand. There's Hey Disney. Another view of the king size bed. And then here is our balcony, or patio, I should say, because we're on the first floor. It is a pretty good view, in my opinion. The main pool is just right over there. So very excited. So we checked in and we asked if there was any club available, and so we're gonna go tomorrow and go ahead and upgrade our room possibly to club level to see what it's like. We're not going to be in a club level room because we're already in this room, but it'll be fun to be able to check out all that Club Access has to offer. So they said it's about $149 a night. We didn't have to do it for the entire length of our stay, which is nice. And so we are planning to possibly do it tomorrow. So we're gonna have fun tonight. We're gonna get some dinner. We may go to the pool. We are probably gonna go to the Polynesian and the monorail resorts, watch the fireworks tonight. So it's gonna be a fun time. Johnny, are you excited?
Very.
We're so glad we're here. We are going to get our food from Roaring Fork.
Yep.
We are doing it to go, and we're gonna eat somewhere. I don't know where.
Maybe the pool, maybe Everton.
Yeah. Makes you feel like you're kind of in a storybook.
See that?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we got Roaring Fork. We got chicken, roasted chicken, garlic chicken with potatoes and green beans. And then Johnny got this burnt ends barbecue. And we are gonna eat it out on our patio and enjoy our night. Okay, we got ready and now we're waiting for a bus to Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna go, oh, there's the arcade. Arcade. Okay, change of plans. Our bus went to pick up people at Contemporary, so we just got off and we're gonna do the monorail loop.
I've never been in here before.
What? Are you serious?
We've never been in here. We've only gotten off at
Oh my gosh.
the monorail.
Let's explore.
Huh?
Let's explore.
Okay.
So down there to the right is Bay Lake. There's a walkway, but you see that walkway?
Oh yeah, right here.
That's Bay
That
Lake.
takes you to Bay Lake.
Yeah.
Pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Hello and welcome aboard Monorail Blue. Our next stop is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. If you're standing, please hold on to those silver handles. Our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, with continuing service to the Magic Kingdom and Disney's.
Johnny's eating a Dole Whip. How is it?
Very Dole Whippy.
Very Dole Whippy. Just got it outside of the Polynesian Resort. It's really relaxing in here. Okay, so we are at Polynesian. Took the monorail over. Johnny had a yummy Dole Whip.
I did. It was really good. Well, first we thought we were going on the bus to Hollywood Studios. Then we're going to get on a Skyliner and go to the boardwalk.
Yeah.
But then we come to realize that it's the Magic Kingdom bus.
Well, I actually don't know if it was the Magic Kingdom bus. I think they were, I don't know what was happening actually. But we went to Contemporary, got off at Contemporary, and now are at Polynesian. Johnny's being swarmed by bugs right now.
Yeah, it's really good.
And we're gonna relax here for a little bit and then go to Grand, right?
Yeah.
And then back to Wilderness. Yeah. So pretty. Okay, we are going on the monorail. We already went through Magic Kingdom monorail. We took the monorail from where were we at? Grand Floridian to the Transportation Ticket Center, and now we're gonna get on Epcot because we're hoping to see the fireworks from the monorail.
The fireworks start at 9 o'clock, and it is 8:42 right now.
Yeah.
So the monorail has not come yet. So if we plan it right, we'll get on the monorail, they'll drop people off, we'll go through Epcot on the monorail, hopefully be able to get to see Symphony of Us and get fireworks footage.
Then take the monorail back to here, go on the Magic Kingdom monorail, and then maybe see fireworks from the monorail or Polynesian or back at our hotel. We're not sure yet, but we're just kind of having fun.
We're just going with the flow.
We've been shopping and hopping around the resorts. Tomorrow is going to be like, we probably hardly will leave the hotel, so we're just kind of just having fun right now. So, anyway.
We might leave like in the evening or something, or midday.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's resort hopping is so much fun.
There's so much to see though that like when you go to a resort, you don't really like when you hop resorts, there's always something new or something else that you haven't seen or haven't done.
Right. Having the time of our lives. Good morning. We just woke up from the Wilderness Lodge. In the middle of the night, I was like, wait, where am I? But we just woke up and it is like 7 something and we got ready really quickly. We're gonna go ahead and go to front desk and add club level to today, or today's night and tomorrow. So, we're gonna check that all out. Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
I'm like excited. It'll be fun. Today is gonna be a true resort day. So
we've never done one of those because we're always at the parks.
we've done it like twice, but like
not like this.
we would go to Disney Springs and stuff like that. I don't even know if we're gonna go to Disney Springs. We're gonna see.
Tomorrow.
We'll probably go tomorrow. So, anyways, it's gonna be a great. I don't even know what day it is, but it's gonna be a great day.
Thursday.
It's Thursday. So come along. Here is the view from our balcony or patio because we're on the first floor. It's so peaceful out there this morning. We're probably gonna get breakfast and coffee and then have our coffee out here because it's so nice. Good morning. We are on the 7th floor at club level. We got, because we added it on, this I think is usually in your room. Got a cute little chocolate. Let's see this chocolate. Cute little chocolate. Okay. You ready to go eat breakfast?
Yeah.
So they have a kids area right there and lots of seating.
Jesus. Oh, that little speaker's right here.
Good morning from Wilderness Lodge. We had a really good night's sleep, and then we went to the front desk and we decided to put Club Level on tonight's stay, and so we had access to it this morning, and so we went to the Old Faithful Club. Well, actually what happened is we went to the front desk, did that whole told them what we wanted and everything like that, and then we were greeted by somebody who came from Club Level to meet us. So the coffee begins at 6:30 in the morning, and then they have breakfast, which we just went to, from 7 to 10:30, and then they have refreshments from 11 to 4, and then hors d'oeuvres from 5 to 7, and then desserts from 8 to 10. So breakfast was, the continental breakfast was 100% breakfast. We are full. I had smoked salmon, I had eggs and fruit and oatmeal. They have bagels and English muffins and cinnamon rolls, and they had crepes. I didn't eat that, but they had crepes. They had like this egg bake thing, turkey bacon. It was really good. They also have this apple cinnamon tea. Was it tea? Juice. Apple cinnamon, was it cranberry or pomegranate? Something like that. It was so good. It was very sweet, and so I'm gonna go up there in a little bit and grab some in this, but put some water in it because it was so good. It felt like fall. So I love fall, and so that was great.
Which we walked up there and it was absolutely like the view from one of the windows.
Oh yeah.
You could see Space Mountain, you could see the castle,
Yes.
like you could see everything.
I was like,
and it was
whoever is on this
insane.
side, even on the 6th floor, who's not Club Level, is literally
We'll-
I'm wondering if it's
We'll add a
firework
picture
view.
of what we took.
Yeah.
So my name is Julia. I'm just taking a B-roll, make fun of her, and she's in the bathroom right now. But I'm Julia. I do travel agency for Disney stuff. We've got a pretty plastic cup because we're staying at Club Level. Love you.
Okay, so we are inside Boulder Ridge Villas.
No, that's the trailer.
Yeah, that's the one I could record. Can you? So this is Boulder Ridge. Okay, we're ready for the pool. We just toured the Boulder Ridge Villas. Just like the entryway, and the health club is there too. And now we are going to, I think it's called the Boulder Ridge Cove Pool. I believe that's what it's called. So this is the Boulder Ridge pool. There's Boulder Ridge over there. And you can get these cabanas. I don't know if you call them cabanas, these shaded areas. I've heard that you have to come early, like during busy seasons, because people will grab these. But it is August 29th, I think. And it is empty. But it is really pretty. It's like the quiet pool because it doesn't have the water slide. Okay, we just left the pool. It was so nice. We just swam for a little bit and then went into their cabana things that they have. I don't know if they're called cabanas, but
It's a cabana.
it's like first come, first serve.
Yeah.
Anyways, it was very
It's your own
nice.
like, little private area, which is belongs.
Yeah.
Got our own chairs,
Now-
our lounger.
It's really actually not too hot. I mean, when you're in the sun, it is warm.
Yeah.
But in the shade, it's really nice. It is 11 something, and so we're gonna change really quick and then go upstairs and see what Club Level has to offer for they don't call it lunch. What do they call it? Hors d'oeuvres? Or
No,
no, they call
snacks or something.
snacks. So we'll see.
Something like that.
We'll see what they have. This is cute.
Cold water, tap water, and I think sometimes that's sparkling water you're on right now. Full espresso, teas, coffees. There's it's just snacks right now. So we've got some chips, some fruit, crackers with some dip.
Okay, so we are, I think, gonna head to Fort Wilderness.
Yeah.
That's where the cabins and the campground is. We're just gonna explore a little bit. We went to the shop, looked at some pins, and so it's gonna be fun. Okay, we are on the boat to Magic Kingdom.
We're on the boat.
The Fort Wilderness and Contemporary. The Fort Wilderness and Contemporary one isn't available till 3. There's the new DVC. And some. Okay, we just got back from the pool and mousekeeping came and they put these cute little swans. They look like they're kissing. So cute. Okay, we just got back from the pool. We're just getting ready quick. And then we are gonna go upstairs back to club level for the hors d'oeuvres, aka dinner part. And so we'll see if it's dinner or not, but I'm excited. I just noticed that Chip and Dale are right there. Okay, so we are in the elevator, we ate dinner, it was so good. We hung out by the fire in the rocking chairs and watched a rainstorm, and now we're back up at club level for dessert.
Yep.
Mixed fruit cobbler, vanilla cake with lemon, chocolate caramel cupcakes, apple pie, s'mores tart. Very cool.